Mesdames, mademoiselles et messieurs, bonsoir. Ou sous channel nous, message par nous de 82. Et nous disons, nous avons une série qui commence. Ça, sont bonnes nouvelles nous avons pour vous. Nous avons une série qui a commencé semaine qui a venir. Mais série ça, c'est avec pasteur Roody. Et sujet ça, où t'as aimé connaît qui s'allie de l'argent et l'église. Et m'a dit les familles, les amis, yon dit l'autre et comme ça message là capable passer. Mais n'a pas quitté amis nous pour introduire pasteur Roody pour nous.
Pastor August is a living testimony of what God is able to do. He was born in the West Indies and grew up in Brooklyn, New York. Since he was young, he always had a passion for helping people. When he realized that his calling was to ministry, which required adequate preparation for the task, he left New York and went to the South, and then the Midwest, where he attended two universities, which are renowned schools for producing successful leaders in the field of ministry and chaplaincy. Presently, the chaplain for the U.S. Senate is a product of these two theological schools and seminaries. Pastor August holds a BA degree in ministerial theology, and to better prepare himself for service, he went on to do his graduate studies in the field of ministry and education. For education, he did his graduate work with an emphasis in special ed and served special needs children for the New York Public Schools. And for ministry, Pastor August did his Master's of Divinity with an emphasis in pastoral counseling. In both ministries, as well as to the public schools, Pastor August has been able to serve people from different cultural backgrounds, nationalities, different ethnic groups, different age groups, as well as people from different religious affiliations. This is why the Faith in Christ ministry is very diverse and has a place for everyone to serve. Pastor August is an ordained clergy and presently serving as the overseer of the Faith in Christ ministry. God spared Pastor August's life for him to be a living testimony because God saved him from an accident while he was on his way to prepare for the ministry. His slogan is, if God can do it for me, he can also do it for you.
Et n'a dit, et amis nous merci pour introduction ça. Et n'a dit, rebrancher, les familles, les amis, yon dit l'autre. Et comme ça, nous connaissons après mes séries ça, et avec pasteur Roody, que bon Dieu bénisse.